Hello everyone, this is Avery from SINOMADA. Today we are invited to SUNWARD Industry, which is also a leading construction brand in China. Now I'm bringing you something really cool, the SUNWARD SWE500F-3 excavator. This machine is huge and powerful, perfect for big jobs like landing, lifting up. First, look at its size. This excavator weighs 49 tons. That's super heavy. It has a big bucket that can hold 2.6 cubic meters of stuff. Imagine how much dirt or rock it can move in one move. It also has a long arm, 6.4 meters, and a strong bucket that's 2.9 meters long. This path helps it dig deep and reach far without breaking easily. Inside this piece is a CUMMINS engine. It gives out 280 kilowatts of power at 2000 RPM. That's a lot of power. It means the excavator can work really hard without getting tired. The engine also saves fuel, which is good for the environment and helps you save money. The SWE500F-3 can reach really high and dig really deep. It can go up to 10.3 meters high and dig down to 6.8 meters deep. It can also reach out 10.8 meters from where it's standing. This makes it super useful for mining because it can get to places other machines can't. Plus, it's easy to control, so the operator can get the job done smoothly. Another pro thing is its big fuel tank. It can hold 680 liters of fuel. This means it can work for a long time without needing to stop or refueling. In a busy mining site, this is super helpful because it keeps the work going without interruptions. So that's the SUNWARD SWE500F-3 excavator. It's a big, strong, and powerful machine that can handle tough jobs. So if you need something reliable and efficient for mining, this is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.